So we all know math's been around for thousands of years. We use it for things like predicting the seasons, to doing your taxes, to estimating the size of farming land. But it wasn't until around 500 BC that mathematicians in ancient Greece started studying math just for fun. They were just amazed by all of the patterns in math, and they wanted to explore and explain them. One of these mathematicians was this guy. This is Thales of Miletus. He made a surprising discovery while playing around with some shapes. He discovered that if you have a semicircle and you put a triangle inside where the triangle has one side that's the diameter, then this angle over here that touches the circle will always be a right angle. Okay, so Thales tries this out on a bunch of different semicircles and triangles, and every single time he's getting the same result. And he's like, wow, I wonder if this is just happening for the samples that I'm trying, or is this gonna happen every single time? He's like, how can these two completely different shapes be linked in this fundamental way? He also just had to know why this was happening. Legend also has it that Thales was so in awe of his discovery that he sacrificed an entire ox to thank the gods. What Thales needed was an argument that would logically explain beyond any doubt why this must be true. In geometry, we call this a proof. In this class, you're going to learn a bunch of geometric techniques, and eventually you will be able to prove Thales' theorem. Okay, so the first thing a proof needs is logic. No, not that logic, but the kind of logic that's a tool for establishing sound arguments and unshakable conclusions. Lawyers use logic to sway judges and juries. Computer engineers use logic to design complex systems. You probably use logic already, like when you are trying to get your parents to let you go somewhere with your friends. So let's dive in and learn some basics of logic so we can build solid arguments.